That gut-wrenching moment when your world shatters, mirrored in the spiderweb cracks of your phone's screen, is a feeling all too familiar. We see it here, a modern marvel reduced to a mosaic of digital despair, each fracture a story of a slip, a drop, a heart-stopping second. But this isn't an ending. It's the beginning of a transformation, a journey from broken to brilliant. On a clean, organized battle station, the stage is set. Precision tools lie in wait like a surgeon's instruments, each one with a purpose. The wounded device is gently placed at the center, ready for its revival. The air is still with anticipation as the restoration is about to commence, a meticulous process where every piece matters. With focused intensity, the operation begins. A fast-motion ballet of skilled hands works swiftly, removing the back cover and disconnecting the battery, the lifeblood of the device. Tiny screws are carefully extracted and organized, a testament to the intricate engineering within. The final, delicate act of this stage is prying off the shattered screen, separating the broken past from the promising future. Now the moment of healing. A pristine, new screen is unveiled, its surface a flawless black mirror. With the steady hands of a bomb disposal expert, the delicate ribbon cables are clicked into place, reconnecting the phone's brain to its new face. The screen is then gently but firmly snapped into its frame, a perfect fit, a seamless union. The final act unfolds in a blur of motion. The phone is reassembled with practiced speed, screws returning to their homes, the cover sealing the deal. A finger hovers, then presses the power button. A familiar logo glows to life, vibrant and perfect, spreading across the screen without a single flaw. The phone is reborn, its surface gleaming, a testament to the magic of repair. Just like that, it's not just fixed, it's restored to its former glory.